Hello students, today I'm going to be showing you how to get into the Learning Liftoff program. This is a really fun math program that we're going to be using for about 15 minutes a day. So to get there, from your online school page you want to click on Resources and then over here to the Progress Learning link. Now you'll recognize this link because this is also how we get to our Thursday, Friday snapshot quizzes for reading and for ELA. But let me show you how to get to the Learning Liftoff games. Once you click there, it'll log you into this site. Now this is usually where you will find your progress learning, your snapshot quizzes like we just talked about, and you can see the date that they're due and all those good things. But what we're going to be doing is going to Learning Liftoff, and so you click here on that little button. From there you can see a couple different things. If you click on My Galaxies and then make sure it's on the math one. We don't use this program for reading, we use it for math. And then you can see over here these 4 little rocket ships, and depending on how you do on the diagnostic tests, it will have you up through Galaxy 1, possibly even up into Galaxy 2. So in order to get those rocket ships up and to begin practicing and playing games, you need to go to this green button, Diagnostics. And then from here, you're going to see there are 4 different math tests that you need to take. Okay, some of you have taken one of them. We want to make sure you have all 4 completed. As soon as you complete one of those sections, the next time you go back to the My Galaxies, you will see that your rocket ship has gone up a little bit, and the things that you were able to do well are checked off, good to go. And then the things that are not, when you go on to practice, that's what you'll be working on. Okay, so this is really good practice. It's kind of like for reading, we do mind play. For math, we do Liftoff. Do this about 15 minutes a day, and it's going to be really good practice. And the coolest thing about it is it's specially tailored just to you and your strengths. And so each student in the class is going to be working on different things depending on how you do on the diagnostic. So really important that you do not get your parents to help you with those diagnostic tests. You need to do them on your own, because if your parents do them, then when you go into practice, your level will be way too high. Okay? All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.